Intrusion of magma. Right now, there is an intrusion of magma occurring at an unusual and unexpected location. I am not referring to the intrusion currently ongoing in one of Ethiopia's rift valleys between two volcanoes, nor am I referring to the intrusion of magma occurring underneath Oregon Three Sisters volcano. Instead, I am referring to the Indonesian portion of the island of Borneo, adjacent to the city of Tanjung Redeb. There, in several locations on outlying villages, boiling or very hot water has not only begun appearing from the ground in places where it never existed beforehand, but this is also occurring underneath multiple structures. As a result, one person literally had boiling water appear underneath their house, degassing steam that filled their home. In total, 2 new hot springs, 5 patches of unusually warm ground, and 2 spots of steaming ground have formed since November of 2024, when the unusual activity appears to have started. All of this can be owed to what is interpreted to be the intrusion of a batch of basaltic magma to around 16 kilometers depth. While still fairly deep, there is a series of cross-section large strike-slip faults and a major structural lineament which intersect this very region. I thus interpret that the heat from the freshly emplaced body of magma has transferred to overlying rock and then efficiently rose up fault lines before finally transferring to groundwater. This heated water then rose, resulting in the abnormal surface geothermal vents in an area not known to contain them or any signs of volcanic activity. As while, yes, we are talking about Indonesia, the nation that almost always contains the highest number of actively erupting volcanoes at any point in recent history. Those volcanoes exist on major islands to the south and east. While islands such as Java and Sumatra were almost entirely formed from geologically young volcanic and intrusive igneous rocks, Borneo, in contrast, is largely composed from a surface geology standpoint of Borneo geology, various sedimentary rocks and sediments spanning a 460 million year long time span. While Borneo has occasionally been the site of volcanic eruptions or created large intrusive igneous units across its geologic history, in recent times I would not call the island very volcanically active.